Hey guys, welcome back to Savor the Harvest. So, as we start any process, we have to think about how we're going to grow our plants. And here I grow them in 3 different mediums. I grow them in soil, I grow them in straw, and I grow them in water. Water is the newest one for me, so it's still an experimental phases, so it's not something that I advertise as much just because it is not something that I'm super comfortable answering questions on because I'm still learning it myself. But today I want to show you one of our plants that has done really well in water, and I'm super excited about it. So here we have some parsley, and it has been growing at least 6 months. It's doing really well. We have this really amazing root system. I have to clean its water, but it's really quite happy. And so as you can see, we have some new growth here. And we have some that's starting to yellow kind of at the end of its cycle. Not a big deal. I can just take that off. So I've clipped this back quite a bit today or yesterday, and I dehydrated quite a bit. So let's go inside and check out what's coming out of the dehydrator. So I had 2 trays of parsley in the dehydrator. I keep it on a really low setting, so it's probably on for almost 24 hours, not quite, and that's okay. And so I'm just putting it into my dried parsley container with my fancy label. I love using masking tape because I can take this off, wash the bottle. There's no like sticky residue, nothing I have to worry about regular labels or anything like that. So that's great. So I just kind of push it through and then I add more. So I leave the stems on to dehydrate, and then I'll just pick off the leaves and crumble them into my container. And that's about all there is to that. And there we have it. I have enough parsley to do me a little while. I'll do another batch when I have more plant to work with. I put this in so many different things throughout the whole year, pasta sauce, in different recipes, and it's just honestly the fragrance from fresh grown parsley that's been dried is, the aroma is amazing, the flavor is amazing. As long as I can keep growing it, I would never buy it again. So so simple, so easy. You can leave it out in the sun, you can do it in your oven. There's so many options. Dehydrators, just the way I do it, is quick and easy. And I was gifted a dehydrator last year, so I'm still learning how to use it. But this makes me super happy. So cheers.